Hello, my name is Curtis Harrison. I'm a partner with Goranson, Bain, Ausley. I'm Master Credentialed in Collaborative Divorce, and I'm here today to talk to you about the differences between a collaborative divorce and a litigated divorce. Most people who are confronted by the prospect of divorce don't realize that they have options about how they go through the process. Most individuals wind up going through what we call a traditional litigated model simply because they don't know that there's a better way. The foundational principles of a litigated divorce include trying to hide information, playing a zero-sum game, trying to beat the other side at all costs, which usually winds up injuring both parties as well as the children who are caught in the middle of the conflict. Part of the problem with the traditional litigated model is that it's based on the concept of creating winners and losers in the courtroom setting. And that's a great setting for contract disputes, for determining guilt or innocence in a criminal case, but how do you determine a winner and a loser in the midst of a family dispute that's brought in front of the public? In contrast, the collaborative divorce method, by design, is intended to be a private process, entered into voluntarily between the two spouses, and yet, even though it's a private process, within the model itself, it's completely transparent. There's no hiding information or secreting information. In fact, the attorneys and the spouses are obligated by terms of the agreement to correct the known mistakes of the other party during the process. The idea is we want the parties to be able to make shared decisions based upon information that is revealed, rather than what might have been concealed or unknown as you would get in the litigated model. The collaborative divorce model has a number of advantages over the traditional litigation model, but it starts by making sure that you choose a collaboratively trained divorce attorney. If the universe of divorce attorneys is this big, the universe of collaboratively trained divorce attorneys is only this big. So make sure you do your homework and find someone who is collaboratively trained. It doesn't guarantee that your case will proceed collaboratively, but it does give you the option of moving in that direction if you and your spouse jointly choose to do that.